Do you want to know how I converted this? Into this. And this. Into this. We will learn how to edit an old-school vintage photo using Adobe Lightroom Mobile. Lightroom Mobile is a great tool for editing your photos on the go, and with its powerful features, you can easily give your photos a classic, vintage look that's perfect for sharing on social media. We are going to take pic and convert it into this. So first import the image in Lightroom Mobile. And now we will start the editing. First go into the light adjustment tool. Now leave the exposed as it is. Decrease the contrast to -20. Increase highlights to -80. Increase shadows to 30. Increase whites to 10. Increase blacks to -30. Now go to the curve tool and adjust the white, red, green and blue as shown. Now go to the color tool. Increase temperature to 10. Decrease tint to -10. Increase vibrance to 10. Decrease saturation to -20. At the top right you can see a color wheel, now click on it. In red, decrease saturation to -20. In orange, decrease hue to -10. Decrease saturation -20. Increase luminance to 20. In yellow, decrease hue to -80. Decrease saturation to -50. In green, decrease saturation to -80. In blue, decrease saturation to -80. In violet, decrease hue to -30. Decrease saturation to -70. Now click on Done. Besides the color wheel there are 3 dots, they are the color graders, so now click on them. There are 3 panels: shadows, midtones, and highlights. In shadows, change the hue to 360. Saturation to 8. Now click on Highlights. Change the hue to 53. Change the saturation to 10. Now go to the Effect tool. Increase clarity to 20. Increase dehaze to 80. Increase vignette to -20. Increase midpoint to 30. And there you have it, folks.